Hello friend, my name is Sher and you are watching my YouTube channel Awan Moto. Today is our another video about a bag review. That is again the same company, Tolaccea bag. That is the duffel bag. You can see there is a bag. That is a 55 liter duffel bags. They are available in 55 liter and 44 liter bag. So let's open it and I can show you how they look like. That is the straps for the normal one. In the front they have the logo for Tolaccea, and then in that small cable they have again the strap for the key, and then you can put them your mobile phones or your wallet or something like that for the some papers or passport or stuff like that to pick up very fast. Then there is a small here option. Put them your name, your card. That bag belongs to you. That's why. And then there is another cable. This cable is again fully sealed pack. That cable, and it's you can put them your socks or dirty stuff inside there very easily. Then it's coming with the section. That's the next section for this side. That is a section you can put them your shoes directly inside there. You can see there is a section completely, so you can put them shoes inside there very easily, and they're working perfect for the shoe settings in that section. And if shoes are dirty, still you have no issues with your other clothes or something like that, because that is a completely sealed pack section. And then here is another section. That's the main section. We can open it like this way in the front, and then this bag open. That is the main compartment of this bag. Inside here you can see again some pockets are there. There are pockets like you can put them small stuff like socks or other stuff, small stuff like batteries, camera batteries, that type of stuff. You can put them inside there very easily. And then there is another section. They have also a laptop bag, extra laptop bag. You can put them till 15-inch in this bag. That is extra padded and stuff completely inside there. Another strap for the shoulder strap also inside there. And then here is another section. That is the section you can put them here, all the socks, or you can put them more stuff inside there, small t-shirts or stuff like that also available. You can put them inside easily. And then here is another section where you can put them your stuff like small stuff. Another separate compartment is available, and there is a huge section inside there, 55 liter. You can put them so many clothes, t-shirts, everything is inside there. That is very easily differentiate this section. And then we have some other sections too, where you can put them your clothes and other stuff, or your dirty stuff also there. And then we have also in the front section where you have the backpack straps, so you can make them this bag as a backpack and easy to use. These all sections are very comfortable sections. You can put them so many stuff inside there, shoes and other stuff, and there are sections where you can put them your other stuff also inside there. This bag is looking comfortable from all sides. You can put them more stuff inside there, for example your tripod, or you can hang them with also your helmet, or if you have something else you can put them inside too and then hang them. They have also the reflector. So this bag you can use them as a travel backpack. You can use for your gym. If you go into the exercise gym, you can just go for the football training. You can go for any other sports training. Easily you can use this bag as a backpack, as a shoulder bag, or you can just hold it with the two strap like this one. See, it's easily holdable. You can travel them with easily. It's very comfortable. Also good for the cabin bag. Have no issues. Perfect bag for the cabin stuff and other work. There is so many small packets inside there. Small packet. You can put them your shampoos, your other stuff, dirty clothes and stuff like that. You can put them easily inside there. So this section is, as I said, for the shoes. The other side, the sections, you can put them small things inside there. If your clothes are dirty, you can put them inside there and they just remove them. Everything's here. Another section, this one, I can show you for the dirty clothes and stuff like that here. Another cabinet. And here you can put them, again, that's the same seal pack completely. You can put them your dirty clothes, your socks, stuff like that inside there. And also here another zip where you can put them your shampoos, other leakage stuff that's possible to leak. So you can put them inside there. The other your items in your bag, they are not damaged if they are leaked or anything happened with that one. So that is a small bag. It's not a small bag. That's a 55-liter bags. It's more than enough for the 1 week travel. I put them inside my pants and t-shirts and shoes inside there, and they are more than enough for a 1 week trip. I just go for the gym, and I can use my gym clothes or stuff like that and shoes also. So I can take it with also. They are just as a backpack. You can use them. Also, you can use them as a small weekend trips. As I said, you can use them also for your soccer, football training. That's can use them also. There is also for the strap, for the shoulder strap, and also the best thing, they have also the small laptop bags or tablet bag. You can say them. It's very soft, padded, and everything. So you can put them your small laptop till 15-inch. It's come easily in, have no issues, and you can put them your tablet, 12-inch tablets or anything else, and they are very secure one, very comfortable and secure stuff inside there.
So for the testing purpose, I show there here how they look like in the complete bag, how much clothes and how much stuff you can take it. Like here you see I have 1 laptops inside there, and I have also put them 5 jeans pants and 5 t-shirts inside there, and still you see there are a lot of space behind, so you can put them more and more stuff inside there, and still they are not bulky, they are still have more and more space. And I put them just 1 pair of the shoes, but you can put them almost 2 pair of the shoes easily inside there with the normal shoes. But if you have skinny shoes, then you can use them more and more shoes inside there. So they have a lot more space. And here I can show how they look like as a backpack style. They not look like so much bulky, look like perfect. And you can see on my right and left upside the shoulder have the straps, reflector straps are there, so that can help you. And also here I can show you the it's very easy to handbags. You can pick it up, look like you can see they're no bulky anymore. On the shoulder straps, you can easily use them as a shoulder style. That's easy to use too. Nothing look like feel heavy. Same again, another style of the shoulder. You can use them like you can go to the gym, or you can just go for the exercise on somewhere else.
So this is the bag review for the duffel bag. You can say the duffel bag, backpack, or handbag, everything 3 in 1 bag. That's the perfect 55-liter toolless duffel bag. And there's also same as I showed before. There's a laptop sections and stuff like that. That's all. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe with your friends. And thanks again for watching my videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.